Yes, I born with the natural beauty. This, my sister. Patrick, this question is for you. Do you know my son? In Jamaica, coming to the festive season. Santa dress up in a mango tree. Santa dress up in a mango tree. Patu ball out. What a Christmas. And the donkey start to dolly down the road, to dolly down the road. Oh, looking forward. Always look forward to Christmas, you know. Because Christmas in Jamaican style, grand market. Grand market, we call it here like a street market, farmer's market. Oh, I know you would know him because he's from he used to live in St. Andrew before he migrated. I know that my video is making sense. I know that my video make a lot of people happy who are in depression, who planning to commit suicide. I get a lot of comments. I get a lot of engagement on my videos. So, Patrick, did you share my videos yet? Did you like? Did you comment it? Just share up my video them now. Just go up on my page and just start share up my video them. I want to get to that 1,000 subscriber. Because I know if I'm start making money on YouTube, I am going to help some needy person. And I'm not just saying this as to say that. Here in the United States, what I've done, I've taken money out of my own pockets, buying food for the homeless and giving it to them without a dollar from nobody else. So if you help me reach to that 1,000 subscriber, you know what is going to happen? I may be able to help a child who is in need. I may be able to help a parent who is struggling to send that child to school. I may also be able to help the homeless again. So this is for a worthy cause. So just help me up now. Help me up. Please, I'm asking you guys to share out my video. Like up my video. Yesterday where I work, I tell the guys in the dining room, they were so excited and asked if my video them not excited my video. I get about 10 subscription from them. So please, do likewise. Do likewise now. We do no so. We do no so. Come on with the thing, no man. Roll with the thing. Me still can't speak the part when I roll with the thing, no man. Patrick, share out my video to your friend them, no man. Yes, Patrick, just share out my video them. Share out my video them, Patrick. Share out my video them. I'm going to end this live. And I'm going to come back. I'm going to come back and maybe do another live. So just give me a little time. I'm just working on this now. Stay tuned. I'm going to start another live. I'm going to edit this and end this and edit it and start another live. Thank you. Stay tuned, Patrick. I'll be right back.